Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use vlookup in Excel. We generally use vlookup to find the value of particular column vertically, hence the name is vlookup. In my example, I will show you how to use it. First, we will be working in the same sheet, how to use the vlookup if you are working the same sheet, and then we will move on to the later part of this video where we will be working in a different sheet and we will be using the formula of vlookup there. So moving to the first part of this video, let's suppose I want to find the prices of various products that I have written in this table. So let's consider this table as my master table and I want to find out the prices against each of my products. So let's begin with the laptop. So I will type laptop over here. So I need to find out the price of the laptop. So for this I will use the function of vlookup over here. I will simply write vlookup. So the first thing that vlookup is asking me is the vlookup value. Vlookup value is nothing but the value of that particular cell that you want to find it in that table. In my example, I want to find the laptop. So I will select this column over here and then I will press comma. Now the next thing that vlookup is asking me is the table array. Table array is the region or the table where you want to search the laptop or the required data. So I will select this whole table because I want to find the value of the table value of the laptop in this particular table. Then I will press comma and then you can see that it is asking me the column index number. So column index number is the count of the column from where you want to find out the result. So in my particular example, laptop is in the first cell and I want to find the price of it. So price in the third column. So I will press third. Let's suppose if I had wanted to get the manufacturing year, I would have written 2 year here. So I will write 0 and then I will select for the exact match. Now you can see that vlookup has worked and it has given me the result 110. Instead of that, if I write pen here, so the vlookup will function again and it will give me resultant 120. As you can see, the price of pen is 120. If I write fridge over here, so it will again take this and it will give me the result of 170. So this is how we use vlookup if the table is in the same Excel sheet. But there could be a situation that your data is in the another sheet or in the another tab. So that's I will discuss in the later part. And so now in the second part, I have moved on to a whole data and it is a very huge data where I have various products over here. You can see that, and against each of the products I want to find out the prices. Now it is not possible for me to use every time Control F and navigate the prices. So for doing that, vlookup will be very useful for me. And here you can also see how we can use the vlookup if the data is in the another tab. So I will simply use the formula vlookup, and the first thing is the vlookup is asking me is the lookup value. That is the value that I want to search it in the table. I will select this and then I will navigate to the tab or the Excel sheet where I have placed the master table against it. So I will move on to sheet 1. As you can see, I have moved on to sheet 1. Now I will select the whole table where I want to search the data, and I will select the whole data over here and then I will press comma, and now you can see the price is in the third column from the first column. If the price would have been the fourth column, I would have written 4, but since the price is in the third column, I will write 3 over here and then I will press 0, and then I will close the bracket, and then I will press enter. So now you can see the price of the mobile is 100 that VLOOKUP has given me, and if I go to my master table, I can easily see that the price of mobile was 100. Similarly, if I want to copy this whole formula, I will use it by Ctrl C, and then I can copy this whole formula by using Ctrl V. As you can see, VLOOKUP has given me the prices against each of the products, and if I change the product name over here, let's suppose if I change fan to iron, then automatically the price has got reversed to iron. And this is how we work in. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Do like this video, and for more such content, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.